If you're experiencing login failures in Valorant, there are several quick fixes you can try to resolve the issue. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and get back into the game. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Valorant server status page to ensure that the servers are online and not undergoing maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back up. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing login issues. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that your Valorant client is up to date. Check for any available updates and install them, as outdated versions can lead to login failures. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You can try resetting your router or switching to a Wi-Fi connection if you are currently using Wi-Fi. Step 5. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, disable it and try logging in again. These services can sometimes interfere with the connection to the game servers. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve login failures and get back to playing Valorant. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.